Artificial intelligence is rapidly changing our world. From self-driving cars to medical diagnoses, AI is already impacting our lives. As AI systems become more sophisticated, we must confront the ethical challenges they present. These challenges are complex and multifaceted. We must carefully consider the implications of AI for privacy, bias, and autonomous weapons. The future of AI depends on our ability to address these ethical concerns. We must ensure that AI is developed and used responsibly. This essay will delve into the moral dilemmas posed by AI and explore potential solutions. Our goal is to foster a thoughtful discussion about the future we want to create with AI. AI systems learn from massive datasets, which are essential for their development and functionality. This data can include our online activities, location data, and even our health metrics from fitness trackers. It also encompasses our personal communications, such as emails, text messages, and phone calls. The more data AI has, the more accurate and powerful it becomes, enabling it to perform complex tasks and make precise predictions. However, this extensive data collection raises serious privacy concerns, as it involves sensitive and personal information. Companies collect vast amounts of information about us, often without our explicit consent or full understanding. This information can be used for targeted advertising, predictive policing, and other purposes that may infringe on our privacy and autonomy. Transparency is crucial. We need to know what data is being collected about us, how it is being used, and who has access to it. We need to be empowered to control our data, with clear options to manage our privacy settings and access transparency reports. We also need clear regulations to protect our privacy in the age of AI, ensuring that our rights are safeguarded. Governments and corporations must be held accountable for how they collect, store, and use our data with stringent measures in place. Our personal information is valuable and must be protected with the highest standards of security and ethical practices. AI systems are trained on data created by humans. This means that AI can inherit and even amplify existing biases. For example, facial recognition systems trained on datasets that are predominantly white and male have been shown to be less accurate at identifying people of color and women. This bias can have real-world consequences. It can lead to discrimination in areas like hiring, lending, and even criminal justice. We must ensure that the data used to train AI systems is diverse and representative of the populations they are intended to serve. We also need to develop methods for detecting and mitigating bias in AI algorithms. Failure to address bias in AI will perpetuate and exacerbate existing inequalities. One of the most concerning applications of AI is in the development of autonomous weapons systems. These are weapons that can select and engage targets without human intervention. The prospect of machines making life or death decisions raises profound ethical questions. Who is responsible when an autonomous weapon causes unintended harm? Can we ensure that these weapons will comply with international humanitarian law? The development and deployment of autonomous weapons systems is a matter of global concern. We need international cooperation to establish clear norms and regulations for these weapons. The stakes are too high to allow an AI arms race to develop unchecked. Section 5. The urgency of global dialogue. The ethical challenges posed by AI are not limited by national borders. They require a global response. We need to foster international dialogue and cooperation to develop ethical guidelines for AI development and use. This dialogue should involve stakeholders from government, industry, academia, and civil society. The future of AI depends on our ability to work together to ensure that this technology is used for the benefit of humanity. We must act now to shape a future where AI empowers us all. Section 6. The quest for ethical AI. The goal of ethical AI is not to stifle innovation, but to guide it responsibly. It is to ensure that AI is developed and used in a way that aligns with our values and principles. This means prioritizing human well-being, fairness, and accountability in every decision. We need to embed ethical considerations into every stage of the AI lifecycle, from design and development to deployment and use. Ethical AI is not just about preventing harm or mitigating risks. It is also about harnessing the power of AI to create a more just and equitable world for everyone. AI has the potential to address some of the world's most pressing challenges, from climate change to poverty and beyond. By embracing ethical principles, we can unlock the full potential of AI for good, ensuring it benefits all of humanity. Section 7. Transparency and accountability. Transparency and accountability are essential for building trust in AI systems. We need to understand how AI systems make decisions and who is responsible when things go wrong. This requires explainable AI, where the reasoning behind AI decisions can be understood by humans. Accountability mechanisms are also crucial. This includes clear lines of responsibility for AI systems and mechanisms for redress when AI causes harm. Without transparency and accountability, AI will remain a black box, and public trust in this technology will inevitably erode. Section 8. The power and responsibility of data. Data is the fuel that powers AI. The quality of this data directly impacts the performance and behavior of AI systems. We need to ensure that the data used to train AI is accurate, representative, and free from bias. This requires investing in data quality initiatives and promoting data literacy. We also need to be mindful of the power dynamics associated with data. Data is often concentrated in the hands of a few powerful companies. This concentration of data can exacerbate existing inequalities and limit access to the benefits of AI. We need to find ways to democratize access to data and ensure that it is used responsibly. Section 9. Shaping a future with AI. The future of AI is not predetermined. It is a future that we are actively shaping through our choices and actions. We need to approach AI development with a sense of responsibility and a commitment to ethical principles. This includes engaging in open and honest conversations about the potential benefits and risks of AI. We need to educate ourselves and future generations about AI. This includes understanding how AI works, its potential impact on society, and the ethical considerations involved. By fostering AI literacy, we can empower individuals to participate in informed decision-making about the future of this technology. Section 10. A call to action. The ethical challenges posed by AI are complex and multifaceted, touching on various aspects of our lives and society. There are no easy answers, and the path forward is often unclear. However, by engaging in thoughtful discussion, promoting ethical principles, and demanding accountability, we can shape a future where AI benefits all of humanity. This requires a collective effort from all stakeholders, including developers, policymakers, and the general public. This is a call to action. Educate yourself about AI, its capabilities, and its potential risks. Engage in conversations about its ethical implications and don't shy away from asking difficult questions. Demand transparency and accountability from those developing and deploying AI systems. Insist on clear guidelines and ethical standards. The future of AI is in our hands, and it is up to us to guide it responsibly. Let's work together to ensure that it is a future we can all be proud of, one that reflects our shared values and aspirations. What are your thoughts on the ethical challenges posed by AI? How do you perceive its impact on society? How do you think we can ensure that AI is developed and used responsibly? What measures should be in place? Share your perspectives and join the conversation. Your voice matters in shaping the future of AI.